2. Boyle's law. This is the relationship between gas pressure and volume. When the balloon of gas is compressed, how will the gas pressure and gas volume change? Make a guess before the video of the experiment starts. Experiment 5A. Boyle's law.
We will use this setup to investigate the relationship between the pressure and the volume of a fixed mass of gas at a constant temperature. Open the valve of the Borden gauge. Slowly apply the foot pump to increase the air pressure inside the glass tube of the Borden gauge. Close the valve of the Borden gauge immediately after applying the foot pump. Record the pressure P and volume V of the air column. Open and close the valve quickly to obtain a new set of readings of P and V. Repeat this step several times. Alternatively, connect a pressure sensor to a syringe and a data logger interface. Slowly push or pull the piston of the syringe to change the pressure P and the volume V of the gas inside the syringe. Take several sets of readings of P and V. Using the data obtained, plot a graph of P against V, and also a graph of P against 1 over V. What can you tell from these two graphs about the relationship between the pressure and the volume of the gas?
We can easily tell gas volume decreases when pressure exerted on the gas increases. More accurately, we should plot a graph of pressure against 1 over gas volume to show that gas pressure is directly proportional to the reciprocal of gas volume, 1 over V. In other words, gas pressure is inversely proportional to gas volume, and it is called Boyle's law. Boyle's law can be presented as the product of P and V equals to a constant when temperature is a constant, which means when both gas pressure and volume change. The product of P and V does not change if the temperature of a fixed mass of gas does not change. Mathematically, P1 V1 equals P2 V2. Let's do example 3 to illustrate the idea. Example 3. Gas guns. It is a gas gun converter from a syringe. The initial gas volume V1 and pressure P1 and the final pressure P2 are all given. You may then apply Boyle's law in the format P1 V1 equals P2 V2 to find the final volume V2 to solve the problem. Do check points 2 below.